How to improve sound quality on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to improve sound quality on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option accessibility. Alright, after you come on this section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option hearing devices. From the hearing devices section, turn on the options like hearing aid compatibility. And after you turn on it, you'll have to back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on apps. From the app section, find out the application music, and after you find it, tap on that. From the music section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option EQ. From the EQ section, you'll have to choose for the option late night. After you choose it, back from here. From the section, also you'll have to just turn on or check the options like sound check, and after you done all of the process from here, you'll be able to improve a very good sound quality on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.